We move tomorrow. A million keys.
Yeah.
That doesn't work.
It's not the right one. Next one.
Is that Dylan or is that the dishwasher?
It's 6 AM and we're really tired.
Alright.
I'm still asleep. Come here. Show me the ice. Oh my god. It's got peas in there. And an iceberg. Molly.
All pile of Molly time. My eyes look very blue in this light. Hey guys, Swedish boy here. Swedish boy 7 coming at you. Alright, we just finished moving the majority of our stuff. We're in the ute now.
Uterus.
Yeah.
Going to IKEA.
IKEA. Going to the big blue palace.
Of meatballs and hot dogs.
Yes. To Svedland. Yeah.
What are we buying?
We're getting a TV cabinet, bedside tables,
Coffee table. And a chest of drawers.
And drawers.
Our mattress should get delivered at some point today, and we're getting our bed frame on the way home.
Yes. So the bed should be good to go for tonight. And then, yeah, what's left? Just got to get a dining room table and chairs.
We need bar stools.
Some bar stools.
How was your sleep last night,
Good.
Hayden?
I don't like sleeping in that bed because it has the thing on the end and I'm too long.
You know
So
what,
my
what
feet
happened to me?
stay on it.
You rolled over right here in my face and you went in my ear. And I kept shoving you and you kept stop like for 2 seconds and then you'd start again.
But that's every night. That's just how it is.
King bed, king bed, king bed.
King bed, yeah, there you go.
Excited.
So that'll get better, hopefully. At least you can push me away. But I mean, I still will wake up on the corner with you pressed right up against me, trying to push me off the bed.
Because I want to cuddle.
No, you're trying to eject me. You're trying to just get me out onto the floor.
Yeah, so I
You want the whole bed.
On the whole bed. The real shopping begins. We're in the kitchen section. I've so far gotten one candle because this smells like my childhood. I don't know what it is, but it smells delicious. So that's the first thing on there.
San Viva, little waist apron.
I like how you say all these things. think we were going to get this. They didn't have it online.
Well, this is going to have to go on the top because that's the smallest thing we're getting. This ain't so bad though.
No? We didn't think about these bags. Plenty of room in the tray, but we didn't think about these. How do you feel?
It's not too bad now that the aircon's on.
That's good.
Dylan?
Go on, jump on it. How good. It's so comfortable. We're gonna hit the hay. Hayden's having a shower at the moment. We're gonna go to bed, and when we wake up, we're gonna go to Kmart, Target, and Bunnings, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna finish unpacking all of our stuff, but we'll actually get the first decent, good sleep of the move. Wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. Hey, morning. How's the comfy bed?
Yeah, it's good.
Comfy? Do you feel like a king?
Yeah. Look how big it is.
I just noticed when I sit down, my feet are so far away from the end of the bed. Oh my god. Are you awake? Don't fall back asleep. Hey, I heard you snoring. How are we feeling this morning, Dylan?
Not hungry.
Not hungry? How are we feeling this morning, Hayden?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah? How would you rate your sleep last night out of 10?
3.
How would you rate your sleep last night out of 10?
7.
On the big king bed? 10
Mm.
out of 10. Yuck. Hey, you got back there, Dylan?
Oh shit on everything.
Got your seatbelt on?
No.
You don't have your seat.
No.
Put your seatbelt on.
No. You can't restrict me.
So, we brought a bit. First we went to Spotlight. We ended up picking this set of pots and a pan. They got copper, they're really, really nice. Got some pans, got a throw. Our bedroom is gonna have gray and mustard. I said to Hayden I want gray linen, gray towels, but I want a feature color, and I gave him a few different colors, and mustard was probably the most boy-friendly color in there. So we're gonna have mustard. We've got 2 new pillows as well. Got a mop and a broom, got a dustpan and brush. We went to Bunnings, picked up some batteries, some hooks to hang stuff off with, CLR, Novak, a lock for the mailbox, a big mop bucket. We ended up getting some extension cords, washing baskets, got some chairs from Kmart, got some grey tea towels. I have a mustard one in the wash as well. Got some oven mitts, salt and pepper shakers, produce bags. These are the boys' slippers. So they're not used to having tiled floors, so their feet really hurt and they won't stop complaining. So they have slippers, and I got a new little pair of slippers in there. We ended up getting mustard towels as well to match this, but they are all in the wash, cooking away. And I've got Hayden a pair of pajamas, which is scrunched up there. We also got our plates today. All the way over here. We picked up just black bowls, plates and mugs. Got a little fake plant that we got from Spotlight as well. That chopping board is from IKEA yesterday. Have all the towels going that we brought from Spotlight. Washing away in there. We also got these. We've got a drying rack for indoors and extra space if we need it outside. And we've got a little laundry trolley to put the baskets on and the pegs as well. So we picked up quite a bit of stuff today. Have a lot of stuff in the garage to still unpack as well. I just want to take a nap. I look forward to this every single night. Oh, that's so good.
Alright, today we're going to IKEA to get the dining room table and chairs that we've been wanting.
Woo!
So now we can finally invite people over for dinner and they have somewhere to sit.
Yay! IKEA! IKEA! Okay. We've got doormats, pillows for the bed. We've got some kitchen stuff in here. You can't see it. Now we need to go by the table, hey. I'm so sad.